Good day, Sir Marvin Tagalikod. Today, I will going to uh, show my demonstration on how I redesign the website I choose. So, before anything else, um, uh, gusto ko lang po i-aware kayo na meron na po akong na design, na redesign, na website, which is the Suzuki. So in this case, sir, I didn't redesign the whole website, but I just redesign na lang po yung mga alam kong parang medyo kailangan po ng improvements. Although hindi ko po alam kung nag-improve po yung gawa ko, sir. Uh, I want to apologize for that, but I really do my best that I can. So, ito po yung kinalabasan. So, um, by now, i- by now, i-demo ko po siya kung paano ko po siya ginawa. So, let's start. So, first thing first is naglagay na po ako ng uh, parang template box or clear box dito sa ating compiler, which is Adobe XD. And as you can see here, empty pa po siya. So we're going to start the work. So first thing first po na ginawa ko is dinownload ko muna po lahat ng resources na kailangan kong gamitin. So lahat po ng ilalagay ko is based na lang din po sa sarili kong gawa, sir. Believe it or not po, ito lang po talaga nakayanan ng powers ko, sir. And I hope for your consideration on it. Thank you so much, sir. So, parang ika-copy paste ko po yung sarili ko pong gawa, sir. So, let's start. So, first thing first is ilalagay natin yung logo ng Suzuki, which is this one. Import lang po natin. After importing, resize lang po for the measurement or the exact position that you really desire of. So after ko po mailagay itong logo is I manually put a line on it. So sa ilalim mismo ng Suzuki logo, nilagyan ko po siya ng line para here. So I think pantay na siya. So sa case po na to, magsisilbi pong border yung line para sa mga filling pages ng Suzuki na feeling ko is na improve ko po, parang ganun, sir. So let's continue. And after ko po mag-input na itong logo and line, maglalagay po tayo ng text. The first text was the for home. And duplicate lang po natin. Drag and slide. Second part is about the about us part. Then same process, duplicate itong po natin. Then this part is all about vehicles, where we can choose vehicles na desire po natin tignan or bilhin. So after that, same process po ulit. Hmm, Copy and paste lang. Then the last part was the contact part. So if you don't mind, sir, I will just going to look at my uh, first finished project for designing. So kukunin ko lang din po yung fill lang po. Then I'm just going to paste it here. Then enter. Then dito po sa mga ganito is naglagay po ako ng border. And then uh, sa part po na to is ginawa ko po siyang bold to be more visible. And then same thing as the other. So okay, enter um, border, then bold po natin yung text. So same process. Oops. So so rearrange lang po natin yung part na to. So, masyado po siyang gitna. And then we will going to give this enough space. And so we're done in the starting by the starting point of the home page. So after po na ito, sir, mag-i-insert po ulit ako ng picture, which is the cars that is related to Suzuki, sir. So here, sir. I'm sorry for the image kasi medyo pixelated po siya. And then after this inputting in this picture, sir, naglagay po ako dito ng introduction, which is Drive Your Dream, innovative solutions for a smarter, safer, and greener future. So as I said earlier, sir, I'm just going to copy and paste my own work dito sa demonstration. So humihingi po ulit ako ng pasensya if ganito po yung process ko, sir. Nag-practice pa po kasi ako, sir. So, by that, uh, I think okay naman po yung kinalabasan pero I don't think so na I improved it pero I tried my best, sir. So, thank you for your consideration po. And after putting this image, I just input another text. Uh, and just type drive your dream. So, so dito po as you can see, as the same as the project I built. The first part, I just going to um, resize it para sa mga mag-review is hindi po sila mahirapan tukuyin kung ano po yung part na pinasok po nilang page. So, uh, drive your dream and the subtext going to input another text here, sir, saying innovation solutions for a smarter, safer, and greener future solutions. So we're just going to put this in here and resize it ng bahagya or here. So there you have it, sir. We're done with the first page of uh, redesigning the homepage of the um, Suzuki brand. So by adding some empty box po ulit, we're just going to press A and dito po sa corner right side po natin, hanapin lang po natin yung part na website. As you can see, makikita nyo po dito, meron siyang mobile for tablets, keyboard desktop, and watch. So, ang hinahanap po natin ay desktop. Input lang po natin yung 920. So, there you have it, sir. Add lang tayo ng isa pa. There you go. So, as you can see here, sir, naglagay na po ako ng tatlo para po minsanan na po yung pag-redesign. So, ang process ko naman po dito para magpantay po siya dito sa nagawa ko pong project na is papantay ko lang po siya height, then for the width it's going to this thing and same as the other, sir. So resize, so by doing this is hindi na tayo mahihirapan na mag-input pa ng mga blank spaces. So let's make the second part of the uh, web page, which is all about the web page or about the Suzuki brand. So here, um, ito na po yung mga basic na ginawa ko para po mas mabilis or mas mapadali yung pagre-redesign. So, by inputting this or the duplicate lang po natin, then shoot, duplicate, drag and drop lang din po ulit. Then, there you go. So, as you can see, hindi, mm, hindi po ganun ka-complicated yung uh, process ko sa paggawa. So, another line in here. There you have it. And as the same process, copy paste, duplicate lang po natin yung mga nauna para hindi na po tayo um, mag-type pa. So, duplicate and drag and drop lang po natin sila. And while ginagawa po itong um, while ginagawa ko po itong uh, about page na napili kong website, which is the Suzuki, napili ko po siya kasi uh, for me, may mga itong mga part na to is hindi siya ganun ka, for me lang po naman, hindi po siya ganun ka straight to the point, no, which is kapag pumunta sila sa contact is hindi po agad yung contact information yung makikita nila. So I think the uh, for me, mas simple, mas madaling gamitin, and mas maiintindihan po ng tao, uh, lalo na po para sa mga uh, non-techie persons like old school dads like that na gusto pong tumingin ng mga sasakyan from Suzuki or gusto pong bumili. So, as we continue, this page is all about the part of about us part. So, if you don't mind, sir, balik lang po ako dito sa nagawa ko na. So, check. And so, just going to copy, sir. So, after that, nag-insert po ulit ako ng image. So, ang in-insert ko naman po rito is yung itong headquarters nila, sir. Zoom lang po natin yung bagya para mas madali po natin makita yung process ng paggawa. So, in here, we can see na I mean, we can resize it as we desire kung ano yung gusto natin gawin sa designing niya. So here, um, going to input text ulit, then type about us. So in here, I'm just going to resize the about us um, no, sorry po. About Suzuki po pala. Suzuki. So as we can see here, um, nare-resize lang po natin siya. So here, as we can see here dito po sa parang finished product ko na po is naglagay po ako ng design dito para mas ma-emphasize po yung um, part na Suzuki. So in this part, uh, insert lang po tayo na Suzuki symbol na to. Import lang po natin, and in this part, niresize ko lang po siya into circle, then pinaliit here, so you can see. Then ginawa ko po dito is ni-rotate ko lang siya just like this. So here we go. Lagay ko lang po siya dito sa may gilid. So here, input na po natin yung Suzuki S logo. Then ito naman po sa part na to, pardon po ulit sir, makakatayo po pala yun, gawa po natin. Don't worry sir, I can assure you po na gawa ko po talaga yun, sir. So thank you for your consideration sir. And here, input ko rin po yung word na Suzuki. So in this part, ito na po yung horizontal. So ginawa ko rin po yung circle, and tinayo ko lang po siyang ganito, resize it, and resize ko lang po siya. Ito mas malaki na konti. Yes, so here's the so after that, tapos na po yung pagre-redesign ng uh, about Suzuki. I'm just going to copy and paste the this part of the so Close lang po natin to. Then, ito. So, it's going to make this more readable para po sa mga uh, viewer or sa mga titingin. Uh, so, allow me to check the answer. So, so in here, sir, uh, makikita natin na mas more visible na po yung uh, goal or yung description ng Suzuki. So, we're done in the About Us part page. So, let's move into vehicle parts na po. So, dito naman po, kaya kung makikita nyo rito, sir, kaya ganito po yung itsura ng dinesign ko is parang it is more parang examples lang po, sir. Parang ganun. So, habang habang ginagawa ko po yung sa vehicle part, just want to answer the following questions, which is why I choose this website. I choose this website kasi uh, for uh, for passion na rin po, and for para para na rin po sa kahiligan ko sa sasakyan and sa automotive. And sa part naman po na what makes it bad design. Actually, sir, I can I can say na the original one was bad design, but for me, there's so much in inputs in there na pwedeng makapagpalito sa mga magvi-visit sa site. So, I made it more clear and mas malinis ng konti, even though hindi siya ganun karaming inputs like the original one. So, we're just going to put a line again, and as the same process as the first one and the second one, we're just going to duplicate the text, so hindi na po natin kailangan mag-type. So if we want to ease our work, we can just click the text, then press Ctrl D, then drag lang po natin, then let's make sure na align siya dun sa mga previews or sa mga nauna natin ginawa para mas maganda siya tignan or mas malinis siya tignan. So, and the last question, based on the instruction, why it needs improvement. For me, based on my perspective, Suzuki website needs improvement for more cleaner or functional website, so that the user can easily look for what he or she looks for in that website. So in this part, we're just going to input text here. It says our uh, vehicles. So in this, pardon me, sir. Um, I will just going to duplicate this. Here you go. And um, type our vehicles. So at this part, uh, uh, napaka for me, napaka ano po niya, napaka common and simple na website, but as what I've said earlier, na mas madali po nilang hahanapin yung gusto nilang makitang part ng website. Kasi practically speaking, sir, um, based on experience as one of the as one of my passion, which is cars, and when I'm visiting websites for cars, I only look for the vehicle parts. I parang mas focus po ako sa kung ano yung mga products kesa po sa mga uh, uh, informations. Although there's still have informations about the cars that you can see in the vehicle part. So let's just copy and paste this everything. So let's put some categories. Categories. Models. So as we can see here, sir, naglagay po ako ng categories and models. Allow me to share uh, an experience. Kasi most of the time po na nagvi-visit po yung mga car guys, or not all, sir, I'm not saying all car guys, is tumitingin po talaga sila sa mga categories and models. And as Suzuki, kilala mo naman po natin tong automotive brand na to, na hindi lang po sila nakafocus on cars. But by my perspective, ginawan ko siya only about cars. Pero if if I can only build the website, I will include the motorcycle part. But sadly, I'm just designing the web page. So under the category, naglagay po ako dito ng text box na paglalagyan categories and models. So I'm just going to shorten this one, sir, kasi masyado siyang malaki. So in here, as we can see, we can choose, or I can improve pa po yung uh, pag-fill. So, copy this. Gagawin po natin siya blue. Then, so, hit enter. And, hit lang po natin. And sa text naman po, we can make it white. So, duplicate again. Then, categories. We're just going to type cars. And with this, gawin po natin siya puti. Lagay na lang po tayo ng text. Or you can make it capitalize na lang. So, i-click na po natin, then duplicate lang po natin, then dito sa models, let's just type na lang po all models, so that the website or web page can website or web page can show you the all types of models of the Suzuki cars units. So, by this naman po, naglagay lang din po ako ng uh, rectangle. Apat kasi yun lang po yung parang napag-cash ako po dito sa website. There we go. So, ang una po natin lalagay is isang unit na francs or francs. So, input lang po ng pictures again. Then cars. Let's look for the francs. Where's the francs in here? Very good. So, in this part, we're just going to resize it. Those, there you have it. And the next one is Grand Vitara. So, insert lang po natin ulit. Grand Vitara. Import. The next one was Swift. Import natin. Import. Then let's try the Swift. So you can see uh, we're doing the shortcuts. Hindi na po tayo nahihirapan i-input yung mga pictures na ilalagay po natin sa redesign website po natin. Jimny, 3 doors. I'm just going to resize them. Drag. And there you go. Then the names. So duplicate lang po natin ito. So ayaw po niya bagong text. Let's make it label lang po natin siya dito sa baba. Duplicate here. Duplicate here. Duplicate here. So hindi naman po Frank's lahat ng unit name na masasakyan. So this one was the Grand Vitara. Okay. This one was the Swift. This one was the Jimny. So this part we're going to input text ulit showing learn more. And what does it mean is to learn more about the cars or what the cars can do, mga specs ng sasakyan tulad po ng horsepower, uh, engine liters, fuel efficiency, and the text. I mean text, the technologies inside the car. Kung ano yung mabibigay na comfort. Here. And as you can see here, sir, na naglalagay po tayo ulit ng panibagong label for the learn more part. To make it white, to make the text visible. And just going to reshape the every sizes of the text box. And there you have it, sir. Tapos na po tayo sa part na vehicle part. So, let's proceed to the last part of the of my redesigning the website. So, same process. Drag and drop by duplicating the logo. Input lines. Then duplicate the text. Nakuha. So in this part, um, um, insert na lang. So this inquiries and contact us ulitin. Then dito po is naglagay po tayo ng another Suzuki logo. Pasensya na po sa delay here. So going to resize it as very small. Again, I am apologizing for the copying my own work, sir. I hope you can give me a consideration about it. Thank you, sir. I I will really appreciate it. So here and make it more. So this sa part naman po na to, kaya naman po ganito yung ginawa ko, sir. Isa parang para mas madali pong mahanap ng mga users or mga buyers ng sasakyan yung mga contact information na ah, kailangan kailangan nila for inquiries. So may So in here, insert lang po natin yung Facebook, IG, and contact logo. Ayun yan. And so. Let's import first the Facebook. Facebook, then the IG. So there you have it, the IG logo, then the contact logo next. So there you have it. So we're just going to copy this, sir, and paste it here. May manood na lang po natin. So paste in here. Yun lang po natin. And gagawin lang po natin. Gagawin lang po natin siyang blue. Gaya po na iba. Then bold po natin. So rearrange lang po. So in here, duplicate na lang po natin para mas mabilis and mas madali po yung process. So I'm going to copy and paste it. As you can see here, sir, gawa-gawa ko lang po yung number yan. Hindi po totoong number yan. Yung ginawa ko lang po is parang 0987654321 ganun, sir. And ganun din po sa isa. So, in this part, may nakalimutan po akong ilagay, which is yung email contact ng Suzuki. So by that, we can have it here sa Pinterest ko po kinukuha yung mga logo. So, I'm just going to find the um, let's use this as uh, email logo. So you can uh, you can input na po yung nawawala. So gawa na lang po ulit tayo ng gawa-gawang pangalan. Lang po natin. Uh, there. And update lang po natin. Drag and drop. Ito na lang po natin siya dito. Yeah. Mm, we can make this Suzuki Motors um, at gmail.com. So there you have it, sir. Tapos na po yung pagre-redesign ko ng chosen pages ng Suzuki brand. So um, in this part, um, ay hindi po ako nakapag-prepare ng screenshots ng, ng website. So um, ipupunta ko na lang po kayo sa mismong website po na Suzuki. So here, as you can see, you can go to the home page. As you can see, sir, sobrang layo po ng na-redesign ko sa original uh, web page po ng Suzuki, and about dito sa homepage compared dito po sa nagawa ko po. So I just want to clarify po na kaya po ganito yung homepage ko is it's all about for the non uh, not too techy persons na gustong magtingin ng mga units on Suzuki. So the next one was the about. So here's the about us, and as you can see here, sir, there's a lot of change. There's a lot of changes na nagawa ko po, pero not better as this, sir. Based on my perspective, ginawa ko lang po yung alam kong mas mapapadali yung paggamit ng mga users when they visited the Suzuki website. And the third part, the vehicles. So as we can see here, sir, sa nav, parang nav bar niya na ah, walang specifically nakalagay na vehicles, but meron sila ditong connect, ah, which is ipupunta ka niya in another website na makita mo yung mga hinahanap mo. So, gaya ng sabi ko, wala po siya dito kasi dito po siya sa baba ng mga pwede pong pamilihan. So, dito naman po sa perspective ko ng redesign ko is it's just um, parang uh, sample sa sample improvement na sa tingin kong mas mapapadali lahat ng users sa paghahanap nila ng mga units ng Suzuki. So, in the last part, which is the contact information, um, as we can see here, in the contact us, makikita po natin dito yung registered offices ng mga registered offices ng Suzuki. So, again po, ang laki na naman po ng pinagbago ng redesign ko. And I know that the work of mine is not that as good as this, but I can assure po na mas madadalian po yung mga users na hanapin or i-contact ang Suzuki for inquiries or for interested buyers. So, uh, that would be all, sir. Thank you po. And again, I'm hoping for your consideration for what uh, what I have done of our activities. Uh, honestly and frankly speaking, sir, I don't have any idea on the Adobe XD yet, but I tried my best to redesign the website that I choose to, to have worked, and yung alam ko pong um, parang pwedeng maging improvement for the sake of the users. So thank you po. Thank you once again, sir, and have a good day po.